Welcome to Lighthouse Worship. My name is Hugo, and in this video we're going to be learning the song Look at What God Has Done by Lost and Found. This song's original key is going to be in the key of E. We'll be using our E shapes. I'm sorry guys, I know y'all don't like to play E shapes, but E shapes are a necessity, crucial thing every guitar player needs to learn. Highly recommend just thug it out, you know. Thank you guys so much for clicking this video, and I just would ask you one little favor, very small favor. Go ahead and subscribe, leave a like. It really does mean so much to me, especially when you guys comment. That really does mean a lot. I need motivation, guys. I can't keep going without motivation. I'm doing all of this for free. This is the only thing I ask for you guys. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get into this video. So that is your verse and intro. Pretty much the same thing. Intro is pretty much the same thing as the verse. It just plays one little pass from your A, your E, and your A, right? So you're gonna start off with your E chord, okay? And then you're gonna play your A chord, and then right back to your E chord, okay? Strumming pattern is gonna be mostly down picking between short and hard. So you're gonna be going the shadows call my name, whispers of little flame, chains fell off. Very slowly, here it goes. I know strumming patterns can be a little bit tricky, so just try to go ahead and practice that as much as you need to. Like I said, it's a mixture of short and hard, and it's also a mixture of a down, up, down. You kind of have to practice it to really like get a feel for it. It's more, rhythm is always more about trying to mimic. So try to mimic, try to copy, and then little by little you can kind of feel it out, if that makes sense. But yeah, let's go ahead and get in through this verse. Like I said, we're gonna start off with our E. Out of the shadows, E, right here. Call to your A on called my name. So you're jumping A back to E real fast, and then we're going on to the next one, which is gonna be C sharp minor. A whispered soft, that's your C sharp minor right there. But little flame, A to the E, and then it repeats. Chains fell off, E, like dew at dawn. A, E, grace broke through to the A when the night was E, right? Right back to your E. Oh, faithful you've been, and faithful you are. Your mercy meets me every day. That is your pre-chorus, guys. Right here, we're going in with the C sharp minor. Oh, faithful you've been. Let it die off. And faithful to your A, you are, to your E. And then your mercy, you're gonna go back to your A. Your mercy meets me. And then to your B chord, meets me every day. You build on that B major right there. Oh, look at what God has done. Hallelujah. The cross, the grave, the risen Son. I once was lost, but now I'm found. Oh, look at what God has done. So that is your chorus. It's a little challenging to sing. You need a lot of power to sing that song. But here we go with our chorus. Chorus is gonna be like we're ending right with a verse on that B. Meets me every day. Oh, look at what God has. And then we start with an E, right? Hallelujah. To the C sharp minor. The cross, the grave, the A, Zen to your E. Son. I once was lost. C sharp minor again. To your E chord this time, not A. You go to your E. Cross the grave, the risen Son. I once was lost. E. But now I'm found. To your A chord. And then we go, oh, oh, to your C sharp minor on the O's. Oh, look at what God has done. And then we go into the verse. So right after that chorus, we're gonna go ahead. Oh, look at what God has done. It's been a long journey. So that would lead you into your verse. Hopefully that makes sense. You just play a little E for a little bit and then you start your verse. After that, we're gonna go ahead and do verse 2. We already went over verse 1. So pretty much the same idea, verse 1, verse 2. Pre-chorus, same idea. Pre-chorus, same as before. And then chorus. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty much the whole song, honestly, guys. It's a very simple song, easy to play, fun to play. Hopefully this video helped you guys if you're trying to learn it. Go ahead and check my Etsy page. I have my chord chart on there. It's very useful. You can print it out. I have the keys of C, key of G, and also key of E. And then with the capo positions, you can basically play at any key. As long as you have a capo, you should be able to play in any key. And it also has your numbers on there in case you want to learn your numbers. Go ahead and check it out. Link in the description. Thank you so much for sticking to the end. And also let me know what other songs or what other tutorials you want to see, or what type of videos you want to see. If you want to see other kinds of videos, let me know. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.
I'll sing of your grace.